Oh, it is a very dark day today. Hi everyone. So today I thought that we would do a take-off of Taiwanese Bian, which is basically their word for bento box. And so in Taiwan, just like kind of in Japan, there are these really cute kind of lunch boxes that include usually, like a grain, a protein. They'll have some vegetables and some pickles on the side. And this is going to be a Taiwanese braised eggplant, oil-free, which is fabulous because we're going to be doing it in the air fryer. If you don't have one, you can just use the oven instead. So it's hearty, it's very savory, but it's also like light as well. There's a ton of sauce in this, so you can just like drizzle it all over the rice, and it is a delicious, delicious lunch. So I hope you guys all enjoy this one. So I'm starting off by salting the eggplant with just a little bit of salt. And I think normally I would cut it into slices, but because I'm going to be doing some photography afterwards, this is cutting it in half, aesthetic reasons. We're going to be putting it into a 160-degree Celsius oven or air fryer, and we're going to do it for about 20 minutes. And the idea behind this is we're going to get some nice caramelization for color, but then also for flavor. And then this looks a little bit sad now because it's a little bit dry, but you have to remember that we're going to be putting it in some really flavorful liquid to braise later. So this is really what you want. So as usual, recipe is going to be all down below, but I'm going to start off with some garlic, and then because this is an oil-free recipe, you can absolutely just use a couple tablespoons of water. You just have to make sure that the heat is not too high, and you're going to get a nice caramelization on whether it's like garlic or whether it's onions. And then following up with that, this is some spicy chili bean paste. And I'll put that link down below as well. So it's called doubanjiang in Chinese. But you can very much substitute it. I'd say like half sriracha, half maybe like miso. So yeah, I'll put that stuff all down below. And you just want to toast it up a little bit just to get it, a little bit more flavorful. And then following up with that, we're just going to add some soy sauce, some sugar, and some water. And that's pretty much it. That's what makes up our braising liquid. So with the covers off, because this lets the liquid kind of reduce a little bit, concentrate a bit more, I'm going to braise this on about medium heat for 15 minutes. And that also cooks down the eggplants more while having it absorb all of that really nice flavor. And then towards the end of that 15 minutes, I have a slurry that I just made with some water and some cornstarch. And I'm going to just pour that right in. You can see that it doesn't get too thick. This is going to be a really nice sauce to pour over rice. And then just really like turn the heat off. Your final minutes, you're going to be putting in your basil, which is going to be amazing and super fragrant, but you're also going to be adjusting for flavor as well. And I didn't show this, but I put in a splash of vinegar, and that really made all the difference in this sauce. It's so nice that way. oh my gosh, that sauce over that rice. Oh, it is so yummy. And if you want to keep it, authentic, the Taiwanese, they do use a short grain rice. And what I ended up doing was I paired it with some greens, but then also some pickled daikon radish. And you can easily find that recipe online. It's turmeric stained, which makes it all the more colorful and amazing. Oh, it's very, very, very good. Anyways, I hope you guys have all enjoyed that really quick recipe. And it's quite nice because it's very flavorful, like definitely needs a bed of rice to go over. But because we didn't use any oil, it's also nice and light as well. So it's a really nice lunch. It's a really nice dinner. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know how you feel down in the comments below, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye.